Hi there. In this video on PMN Online, we are going to cover how to highlight on your computer with Lumin PDF and Google Drive. In today's fast-paced digital world, many of us find ourselves working with PDF documents regularly. Whether you're a student annotating lecture notes or a professional reviewing a report, being able to highlight text in your PDFs can be immensely beneficial. But often, figuring out how to do this efficiently can be a challenge. Thankfully, with tools like Lumin PDF integrated directly with Google Drive, highlighting becomes a breeze. So, let's dive into the step-by-step process that will turn you into a highlighting expert using these tools. To start, you'll first need to access Google Drive, which is a cloud storage service provided by Google. You can do this by either typing Google Drive into your browser search bar or by directly navigating to drive.google.com. This will open up your Google Drive homepage, displaying all the files you have saved on this platform. Among these files, you'll find the PDFs you're planning to work with. Once you're on your Google Drive homepage, the next step is to locate the specific PDF file you want to highlight. After you've found the document, right-click on it. This action will open a context menu with various options regarding what you can do with your file. Your goal here is to enable editing in the most seamless way possible. Hover your cursor over the option labeled Open With. When you do this, a side menu will appear showcasing different applications you can use to open the document. From this list of applications, select Lumin PDF Edit or Sign Documents. If this is your first time using Lumin PDF, you may be prompted to grant some permissions to allow the tool to function properly. You'll need to choose the Google account you want to associate with Lumin PDF. Simply click on the account you typically use for these kinds of tasks. After selecting your account, proceed by clicking the Continue button. At this point, Google may ask you to confirm the permissions required for Lumin to access your Google Drive files. You should review the terms and agree to them by clicking Select All to accept the permissions, followed by Continue once more. After you've successfully granted the necessary permissions, Lumin PDF will open your document in a new browser tab, ready for you to begin highlighting. In the toolbar of Lumin PDF, look for the text highlight icon. It usually resembles a marker pen. Clicking on this icon will activate the highlight tool. With the tool active, you can now scroll through your PDF document to find the specific text you wish to highlight. Click and drag your cursor over the text, and just like that, your text is highlighted. Remember, being able to annotate PDFs can greatly enhance your productivity, whether you're taking study notes or marking up research materials. By integrating Lumin PDF with Google Drive, you gain an efficient way to manage your documents and make them more interactive and informative with just a few clicks. So there you have it, a quick and easy guide on how to highlight PDFs using Lumin PDF with Google Drive. If you need any additional clarity, feel free to rewind and follow along with the steps again. Hopefully, this tutorial helps you elevate your document editing skills to the next level. We hope this video made it easier for you to learn how to highlight on your computer with Lumin PDF and Google Drive. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips like this.